Hi, this is Nicole from Freestyle Travel Shop. If you're not familiar, we design and create stickers, magnets, decals, ornaments, and tote bags. Recently, many people have been asking about the materials and tools that I use for my products, which I'll show here in this video. In addition to this, in the description below, I have a link to the full list of materials with direct links on where to find them. Make sure to like and subscribe to be updated with new crafting content. Let's get started. This is the weatherproof matte sticker paper from Online Labels, which I use for stickers and magnets. Oragard 215 laminating film that I use for both stickers and magnets. Transfer tape that I use for all vinyl products. 8x10 magnet sheets that come in 30 mil thickness. Mod Podge clear acrylic sealer that I use for a water sealant. Oracal 751 vinyl in gloss black. Oracal 751 vinyl in gloss white, Oracal 751 vinyl in gloss red, Oracal 651 in metallic gold, Cricut holographic sparkle vinyl in silver, Sizer Easy Weed heat transfer vinyl in white, Avery printable iron-on vinyl transfers. You can use this paper with Cricut or Silhouette print and cut projects. Wood ornaments that vary in size but are around 4 inches usually. 3-inch clear acrylic ornaments. Liquid polycrylic protective finish in clear matte. Tan and white baker's twine. 4x6 self-adhesive envelopes. Check out a previous video for how I brand these. 9x6 compostable bubble mailers. 15x10 compostable poly mailers. 9x6 compostable poly mailers, Easy Peel 4x6 labels, 6x6 craft self-adhesive flat mailers, this jumbo bag of craft crinkle paper filler, build your own white shipping boxes, larger build your own brown boxes, 1/2-inch glue dots, this roll of 1.5-inch thank you stickers, custom self-inking stamps that I got from Vistaprint. These are wonderful to use for branding stationery. This felt edge scraper, a 9x12 self-healing cutting mat, a slice tool for cutting sticker backs, the Cricut basic tool set that includes a weeding tool, tweezers that kind of work backwards a little bit, a scraping spatula, scissors with a cap, and this scraper which I use for cleaning cutting mats. A paper cutter, a Leatherman Wave multi-tool which is left over from my technical theater days, a Dymo label maker, Teflon sheets used for a heat protectant, the large Cricut heat mat, the Silhouette auto blade, the Silhouette craft blade, the Cricut knife blade, the Silhouette Strong Tack cutting mat, the Silhouette Standard Tack cutting mat, the Cricut Light Grip cutting mat, Cricut Fabric Grip cutting mat, this handy little dry erase board and cleaner, the Spec convertible iPad case. This transforms from a folio to a full-on stand, an Apple Pencil for the iPad, this computer riser, which I use for my iPad. It can be raised all the way up to 5 inches. This clip-on gooseneck magnifying light for vinyl weeding. A clip-on gooseneck phone holder. The Blue Yeti microphone with pop filter. I'm currently using that right now. A digital postage scale. Printer ink from the HP Instant Ink service. You can get a free month of ink with my link below. Inkjet HP NV6055 printer, the Silhouette Cameo 4 cutting machine, and the Cricut Maker. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to see more crafting content. And make sure to check out freestyletravelshop.com to see all of our products, creator blog, tutorials, and small business resources. Thanks for watching. See you next time.